Hi guys, and welcome back. Today is day 9 of my very first art challenge called 30 Veggies of June. Today's word prompt is spinach. Okay, now spinach is green again, but it's a dark green. So I'm going to see what this kind of Prussian-y blue creates. And I'll mix the pre-made green, what's this, with that Prussian-y, just to do a kind of base coat. Because you can see you have the resist here, almost like there is, as I've said all the time, there's like a grease on the surface. So you have to do layers, and many kind of coats just to get it going. But it does teach you, I suppose. It's a bit like an aid. It does help you to learn to do layers, because you have no choice with the sketchbook. You have to do layers. And we'll get the heat gun. I think I'm going to have to name it. I know it's called Tack Life, but I could call it Tacky, which is a little bit tacky, isn't it? Okay, enough of that. Here we go. I think there is steam there, smoke, whatever, because I do these videos one after the other, so I have a day where I will do 2 or 3 videos all at once, so the heat gun is quite warm from the broccoli video. And so, now there is another pre-made green, I forgot, but that's very, very bright, if we can just get that on camera. That is this green here, too bright. That's like, what was the point of adding that kind of green to the palette? I really do like sap green and more earth greens, so I wish they would just get rid of that green and replace it with olive green, so the palette would have sap and olive green. I think that is more helpful, but that's just me, because I like realistic greens, basically. You can do more with them in a palette. And obviously I like greens to come with a palette because it's less waste of paint. And more convenient, you can just, put your brush on it and that's it. So this is almost dry. And let's see. We add that and this yellow with a touch of ultramarine. Let's see what this looks like. This is more like a mid dark green. And then I'm adding more ultramarine. And again more ultramarine, and just probably that's a little bit too blue. So then I will add some mid yellow. And I'm going to see what the brown looks like in there. No. Get rid of that. That's the thing, always keep paper or a rag to hand with watercolours, because you can easily mop up things that you don't like. Rinse the brush and we will then use the heat gun again. Move this paper out of the way. I feel it's destined to catch fire if I don't. Possibly less smoke. Very good, it comes with a foot. As I said, my other one didn't come with a little foot standy thing, so it just makes it easier to put it over on my unit. It's more convenient. So I think we're getting there with the spinach, aren't we, with the green? I think we've just got to keep at it, really. If I just add a little light yellow. I like that the different yellows actually do add a different colour. And please excuse my cat noise in the background. She is our oldest cat. She's called Gingham, and she does howl an awful lot when she can't get her own way. She's, let me think how old she is. I think she's about 12. So we have had her a while. There we are with that. I know spinach is kind of much darker, but we're getting there. And we'll use a heat gun. Always in between layers. It will speed everything up. I think we are getting there with the heat gun. So now, with a damp brush and my paper, I'm just going to see, yeah, if we can do that. Yeah. We just rub off some of the middle, because, well, they are leaves, they're spinach leaves, and so I want to be able to put the middle in, just to identify them a bit better. Okay, and they're lighter, so I'm going to do some just yellow, I think. This is my version of spinach. Everything always looks too vivid and vibrant when it's wet, but it settles down and will, blend. You'll see when it's dry. And again, this is all practice. That's why I wanted to do vegetables. And I thought, after Sea Lemon's challenge with the fruit for May, I thought, yes, it has encouraged me to do the vegetables for June. because I haven't done them before. And we will use the heat gun, I think one last time. And I think just to finish this off, I'm going to do some green little splotches around it to indicate it is, you know, just to give it some fun. And we are finished. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope that you're having fun with this challenge, and I look forward to seeing your work. Share it with me on Instagram. So my Instagram name is ArtistRebeccaLS 2018 for Instagram. And if you use the hashtag over on Instagram or the hashtag on YouTube, 30 Veggies of June, I will put your videos on YouTube into a playlist, and on Instagram I will share your pictures, your artwork, in my stories. And I thank you again. Take care, guys. Bye.